Kia ora guys, and welcome to another Flip video session. Today we are learning to use the strategy of making text-to-self connections. What is a connection? Making a connection is when we make links between what we already know, our prior knowledge, and the text we are reading. So it could be a story, it could be an article, it could be a play. The whole point is we're using our prior knowledge to make a connection with it. So, what are text-to-self connections? This is when we connect the text to our own experiences, something we have personally done. We read something and it reminds us of what has happened in our own lives. Text-to-self connections help us understand what is happening in the text and possibly how the characters in a story are feeling. We are able to empathize with the characters. For example, I'm reading a book and I think, oh, this part makes me think about when I lost the necklace my nan gave me. I know what it feels like to lose something precious. So as I was reading my story, I was able to put myself in the character's shoe and realize how they felt. Alright guys, so our follow-up task is going to look like this. You're going to get a double entry journal and it says text to self. Make sure you include your name on it, the date, and the name of the text you are reading. Over here you'll see on the left hand side it says in the text it says. You need to copy out exactly the part of the story that you had a connection with. And I want you to pay attention while you do this. Make sure you're spelling the words correctly and using the correct punctuation. So when I was reading the story, this part really stood out to me and I had a connection with it. Dad pointed out something half hidden in the trees. Fleur's face went hard. Is that what I think it is? Depends, said Dad. Do you think it's a clubhouse or a long drop? On the right hand side, you write the connection you had. So, when I read that part of the story, I had this connection. This part of the story reminded me when our family went camping, and my mum and sister were shocked that we had to use a long drop that was outside in the bush. So you can see there, I read a part of the story, it reminded me about something that happened to my life, so I wrote it down in the My Connections column. I'm expecting you guys to be able to articulate and share the connections you've made in our group session. Cheers guys.